6th of December in Crete, and I will show you how to make the authentic Greek salad, the way we do it. As everyone knows, the most important ingredient to make a good Greek salad is the fresh olive oil. So I need to get my tools and go and collect some olives. Follow me. The stick that we hit the olive tree with to get the olives. Now we're going to collect the olives that we threw down. And they look like this. Beautiful. Mother Earth. So we collected the olives from the olive tree. And what I'm doing now is I'm carefully putting them in this jar. The acidity of this olive oil is a bit stronger than the ones that have settled, but the taste is amazing. It has a spicy aftertaste in the mouth, but it's as healthy as it gets. So I like to keep my Greek salad simple, so I use tomato, cucumber, feta cheese, the olive oil that we just pressed, sea salt, olives, and oregano. Lots of people put also dakos, which is the crispy bread, or onions as well, but I prefer not to. We put some olives, some of the ones we just collected, the fantastic olive oil that we just pressed, lots of it, sea salt, and a touch of fresh oregano. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please press like or subscribe to my channel.